Chapter 2: Latitudes and Longitudes. You know that the Earth is not a flat surface or a perfect sphere. It is slightly flat at the poles and bulges at the center, in the shape of a geoid. To locate places on this curved surface, scientists have developed a system based on imaginary lines drawn across the globe. These lines run in two directions. The horizontal lines are known as latitudes, while the vertical lines are known as longitudes. Together, they form a global reference system that allows us to determine the precise location of any point on the Earth. Latitudes. Latitudes are a set of imaginary lines drawn around the Earth to help us locate places. These lines run horizontally, from east to west, and are also known as parallels of latitude. Each line of latitude lies parallel to the others, forming circles around the Earth. Because they never meet, these lines are useful for measuring distances north or south of the equator. They are always parallel to one another, which means the distance between any two latitudes remains the same. They form complete circles around the Earth. However, these circles are not all the same size. The equator, which lies exactly halfway between the north and south poles, is the longest latitude. As we move towards the poles, the circles formed by other latitudes become smaller. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The equator is marked as 0 degrees latitude. From the equator, the lines are numbered up to 90 degrees north in the northern hemisphere and 90 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. This gives us a total of 181 lines, including the equator. Every place on Earth lies at a certain number of degrees north or south of the equator. These numbers help us understand how far a place is from the equator, which also affects its climate. Some lines of latitude have special significance because they help divide the Earth into different climatic zones. Equator at 0 degrees latitude. Tropic of Cancer at 23½ degree north. Tropic of Capricorn at 23½ degree south. Arctic Circle at 66½ degree north. Antarctic Circle at 66½ degree south. North Pole at 90 degrees north, at the top. South Pole, 90 degrees south, at the bottom. Longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines drawn on the globe to help us locate places on the Earth. These lines run vertically from the North Pole to the South Pole, crossing the equator at right angles, and are also called meridians of longitude. Each meridian follows the curve of the Earth and forms a semicircle from pole to pole. Unlike latitudes, longitudes are not parallel to one another. They are farthest apart at the equator and come closer as they move towards the poles, where they meet. All meridians are of equal length. Longitudes are measured in degrees. Starting from the prime meridian, which is marked as 0 degree longitude. From the prime meridian, longitudes are numbered up to 180 degrees east and 180 degrees west, dividing the Earth into the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The prime meridian, located at 0 degree longitude, is the central reference line from which all other longitudes are measured. It passes through Greenwich, near London, and divides the Earth into the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. It is also used as the starting point for calculating time across the world. The standard time at this meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time (GMT), and all other time zones are calculated as a number of hours ahead of or behind GMT. The 180th meridian, located at 180-degree longitude, lies on the opposite side of the Earth from the prime meridian. It is used to mark the position of the international date line. This line roughly follows the 180 degrees meridian and bends slightly to avoid cutting through land areas. The global grid. The network formed by the lines of latitude and longitude is called the global grid. This grid covers the entire surface of the Earth and is used to locate any place accurately. Each place on Earth lies at the point where a particular line of latitude and a particular line of longitude meet. This point is called the geographical location or coordinates of the place. Coordinates are written using two values: the latitude how far north or south of the equator, and the longitude how far east or west of the prime meridian. For example, the coordinates of a place may be written as 25 degrees N, 77 degrees E. This means the place lies 25 degrees north of the equator and 77 degrees east of the prime meridian. The global grid helps geographers, pilots, sailors and scientists to find the exact position of any place on Earth. It is used in maps, globes, GPS systems and even satellite imaging. Words I know. Grid, a pattern formed by horizontal and vertical lines that helps us pinpoint locations in a map. Latitudes, set of imaginary lines that run horizontally on the globe from east to west. Longitudes, set of imaginary lines that run vertically on the globe from the North Pole to the South Pole. Greenwich Mean Time, the standard time at prime meridian. International date line, the longitude that lies on the opposite side of the Earth from the prime meridian. Global grid, the network formed by the lines of latitude and longitude. Geographical location coordinates, the point where a particular line of latitude and longitude meet, which tells us the location of a particular place. To sum up, a system of imaginary lines developed by scientists help us locate places on the curved surface level of the Earth. Latitudes are a set of imaginary lines drawn around the globe horizontally from east to west. Every place on Earth lies at a certain number of degrees north or south of the equator, which is marked as 0 degrees latitude. Longitudes are imaginary lines drawn on the globe vertically from the North Pole to the South Pole. Every place on Earth lies at a certain number of degrees east or west of the prime meridian, which is marked as 0 degree longitude. The standard time at the prime meridian is known as GMT. All other time zones are compared in relation to GMT. The global grid is the network formed by the lines of latitude and longitude on the Earth. The geographical location or coordinates of a place are the points where a particular line of latitude and a particular line of longitude meet.